Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable and use dark mode on iPhone. Staring at a bright screen in a dark room is terrible for your eyes. So, developers have incorporated dark themes in apps, browsers, and operating system. If you have an iPhone, you can turn on system-wide dark mode rather than activating it app by app. So first, you need to turn on dark mode. On your iPhone, navigate to the settings, scroll down, and tap on display and brightness. And tap dark theme under the appearance section. This will automatically change the theme for built-in apps like Files, Messages, Music, Notes, Safari, and Settings. Compatible third-party apps will also change colors, while others may have their own theme settings. Dark mode can also be switched on and off from the control center by swiping down on the upper right corner of the screen. Long press on the brightness shader and tap dark mode icon in the bottom left corner to select your preferred mode. And to limit the settings to a specific time of day, you can schedule when your device enters and exits dark mode. On your settings, go to your display and brightness and toggle the automatic option to on. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.